In this video, we'll be learning about dfunctions, namely the sum, the average, and the count to find different values as we have been asked in problems right here. But before that, we will also learn about range names and how they can be used in a function. The idea behind range name is to define certain columns or rows or even a whole table and give it a name so that you can use it in formula more easily and it's less time consuming. So first I'm going to go ahead and give this table a name. So I'm going to select this table and go to Formulas tab, and under Define Names ribbon I'm going to click on Define Name. The name I'm going to be giving to this table will be cost table and hit OK. So next time you select this entire range of table, you're going to get the name cost table right here, which means the name has been successfully assigned to the table. Now we can move ahead and solve problems using dfunctions. So here we're trying to find total sum of control panel for which we need dsum. So we're going to filter out the data that match the criteria of control panel, and we'll be using dsum. So my criteria table here is gonna contain item description because that's our criteria. The criteria is it should be control panel, so control panel. And in this row I'm gonna write my formula for dsum. So the first item is supposed to be database, which is the entire table which we have just named. So we can use the name. It's cost table right here. And our field is we're trying to calculate the cost. So it's going to be cost per order. And it's in G2. So we can just use this cell. And for the criteria, it's the criteria table we just created. And hit enter. So this is our total sum. Total sum for control panel. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a dollar sign. Similarly, we can do the same thing, repeat the same thing to find the average cost, but this time we'll be using the average. So this is my criteria table. Again, it's for control panel. So copy that and the average. And it's the same thing again, the cost table. And the cost per order, which is in cell G2, and our criteria table. Okay, so that's the price. Now for total count of bolt knot package, go ahead and make a criteria table. And this time we need control knot package, so I'm going to copy this right here. And in this cell, I'm going to use the formula. It's going to be d count because we need a total number. And our database is cost table. And we need the total count. So let's see, we can use the item number here. So it's going to be C3. And this is our criteria table. C2, and it's 11. So the item number was in C2. And this is how we can use dfunctions in Excel.